And down here, that is the drum. Yeah, that's how it looks. Yes, and that's, yeah, the drum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to review my baby. We're going to review we're coming live from my laundry area. We're going to review my washing machine, which is TCL 9kg fully automatic front load washing machine. Yes, so without rambling too much, let's get into the review. I hope you stick around and enjoy the video. So if you're looking to get out your washing machine, which is same brand as mine, TCL, you would want to watch this video. Stick around, give a like, comment, share, ask anything in the comments. I'll be available to answer you. So I'll show you the washing machine and give you a quick review, the overview of the machine, the connection, the installation. Yes, yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed and you're watching, kindly subscribe down below. Hit the button, like, comment and share. These are installation instructions. Do not remove the sticker. They're saying congratulations on your new washing machine. These installation instructions contains important information on the installation. Please take some time to read. Thank you. Yeah. And this is the manual. So definitely it contains everything, every information about the machine, how to operate the machine, what function to use for words, everything, how to install, kila kitu. So this is my baby. That's where it lives. The brand is TCL. These are the functions, the washing functions, and this is the control panel. Yeah, and this is the drum. This is where the magic happens. That's where the magic happens. Yeah, that's how it looks. That is how it looks. I love the color. The color is gray and gold and black. I love that. I love that. It's so beautiful. So the control panel is black. The drum door the door is black and gold. The function, the knob, it's black and gold, but the whole body is gray. So I love it. Love the color. Here, this is where you put, oh, it's very clean. This is where you put your detergent. Here is for detergent. Here for fabric softener. And here for anything, for any pre-wash function. If you want to, oh my god, my nails, oh my days. Anyway, if you want pre-wash, maybe to add your detergent, your jik, your bleach. So this is the soap area. This is how it looks inside. Oh dear, it's dirty. That's how it looks inside. Let's return it. The machine came with this accessory. It helps with the outlet pipe, with the drainage pipe, but I'm not able to connect it because my pipe is not well installed, my drainage pipe. So I always use bucket to drain the water, to catch the dirty water. So let me show you. This is the drainage pipe. So I always use a bucket to catch the dirty water from the washing machine. Sijui kama tunaelewana. Yes, Yeah, so that's how I go about drainage. This is the water inlet pipe. This is where it's connected. This is the inlet pipe. That is how it's connected. I'm getting water the machine from here. This is the sink pipe. This is the sink pipe that is bringing water to the sink. But there is a T, forgive my explanation, but this is a T tap that is the source of water from the sink to the washing machine. I didn't do this. I hired someone to do that. I got a plumber and installed that. So there's nowhere. They didn't drill anywhere, as you can see. Power source, for the power source, they got it from there all the way down. There are electric pipes, so it's piped. It's not drilled on the walls because this is a rental. I told them to make sure they didn't drill on the walls. Quickly, let me turn it on. It's on. Yes. So this is the last function I used for the last wash I did, which was 5 years ago. I'm kidding. So this is the last function I used. It's at the mix function. Mix function is 48. So that's how you set. So if you want a quick wash, which is 15, you want cotton, 1 hour 7 minutes. You want wool, 46 minutes. You want intensive wash, 2 hours 24 minutes. Bedding, 1 hour 49 minutes. Allergy care, 1 hour 46 minutes. This is for the drum cleaning, which is 1 hour 16 minutes. If you want an extra spin after your wash, the session is for 11 minutes. That is rinse and spin. If you want extra rinse and spin, 19 minutes. This is the pre-wash function. Usually it's plus a cotton wool function plus a pre-wash. So it's cotton wool function, which is 1 hour 7 minutes plus a pre-wash, 1 hour 7 minutes. Pre-wash is 40 minutes. Yes, it's a 40 minutes. Yeah, 41 minutes actually. Yes, 41 minutes. We have disinfectants. If you have clothes you want to disinfect, this is the function, which is 1 hour 41 minutes. Hygienic, for hygiene, if you have clothes which they really need your attention for hygiene. And I'm thinking this is like a sport function. I've never used it though. We have e-cotton, never used it, 3 hours 20 minutes. We have down jackets, 52 minutes. Yeah, those are the functions. This is rinse function, delay function. If you want to set your machine to a certain period, maybe 24 hours, maybe 23 hours, this is where you set. These are for the temperatures. This is for the speed. We have up to 1200 start and pause. So it has a function where maybe you forgot to add some clothes. Yeah, they were forgotten. You can pause, add clothes, then you continue with your wash. That was just a quick review of the machine, and so far I love it. I've not had any problem with it. Okay, I've used it for quite 5 months. Yeah, 5 months now. So I don't think I've left any important thing. And if you have a question concerning the machine is TCL, as I said, TCL 9kGA front load, fully automatic front load washing machine. Yes, I don't think there's any important info I have left, and if there is, kindly, if you have a question, just ask. The question, if I love it, I'm in love with it. So far I'm so in love with it, so it does the job. Oh my god, ow. So it really does the job. I'm kneeling. So it really does the job. I love how it functions. It has it has everything I needed in a washing machine though. So yeah. Oh my god, my days, my legs. I'm so beat. I just want to take a shower, find some quick fix, I eat and sleep. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment and share. And if you are watching, you are not subscribed, do me the honors and subscribe. That's it.